Here is how to get themes on Roblox. First of all, go ahead and launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Also open Google extensions, then go to Chrome Web Store and here search for Pro extension. Go ahead and install this extension on your Chrome web browser. And once you have it installed, open Roblox, click on the puzzle icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Pro and refresh your Roblox page. And there you'll see the option of themes, which is in the left-hand side of the screen between communities and premium. Go ahead and tap on this option. You'll see the available themes in this page. Select the theme that you want to equip and tap on Save Changes in the top of the screen, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.